Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In my previous videos, we have covered all the basic concepts of ServiceNow, and I have also shared a knowledge check video to test our understanding. If you haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend checking it out. I have added the link in the description below. In today's video, we are moving one step forward. I will walk you through some hands-on simulated tasks related to those concepts. So, let's get started. First task is create a favorite with a filter list. Here what we need to do step by step. First, impersonate as a platform user. Navigate to the incidents under the service desk module. Personalize the list view and move the priority field to the second column. Now let's create a filter. Assignment is empty and assignment group is service desk. Using the list editor, assign all these incidents to the platform user. After assigning, apply a new filter. Assign it to is platform user and assignment group is service desk. You should now see 10 incidents assigned to this user. Finally, save this filter list as a favorite and name it as My Incidents. And feel free to pick any color or icon of your choice. And that's it. Completes our task 1. Task 2 is create and comment on an incident. Let's move to the next task. Imagine Adela contacted you via phone about intermittent email access issues for her team. Here's what we need to do. Go to incidents, click on create new. Caller is Adela. Subcategory is email. Impact is medium. Urgency is also medium. And assignment group is software. Short description is intermittent email access. Description is the department is facing intermittent email access. Please assist. Once the record is created, post a customer visible comment saying that the software group is currently investigating similar incidents and will respond once a resolution is available. And that's it, task 2 is done. That's all for today's video. In the upcoming videos, we will continue exploring more simulated tasks and hands-on exercises to strengthen your ServiceNow skills. If you have any questions or need clarifications, drop them in the comments below. I would be happy to help with simple demos and explanations. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next ServiceNow learning videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.